what was the task?
The task was to write two functions, the one that calculates the even sum between 2 points, and the other one is the odd sum between 2 points.
Okay, yeah.
Cool.
So I did the sum of odd and even numbers between two numbers, right?
Yep.
It starts from line 2 up to line 10.
Line 2 up to line 10. Okay.
Define the function, and then I did it with two if statements. So if the modulus of x is equals to 0, it means it's in the number x that is given is an even number. So then
Okay.
we do the sum function for that using the range. And
Okay.
then if the modulus is 1, then it means it's an uneven number. Then I add 1 to it so that it becomes the next even number that comes after that.
Okay.
So because I use the range value of 2, then I do the sum. Then I did the same with the odd numbers. Just that it will interchange. For odd numbers, if the modulus is 1, we don't add, but if the modulus is 0, then we add 1.
Okay.
And should I run the code? Or?
Yeah, you can run it, but it's
fine.
It's not.
Okay.
Because not. Do you have anything to add?
We went through that quickly.
Just go back to.
Look at it. But the logic is sound.
Is it? Look at it again.
Only one thing I'm not sure of.
Yeah.
I probably have to check. I gotta check.
Actually, no. Actually, my bad. My bad. My bad. It is fine. Mm. The only so instead of printing that statement out, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to be able to use my sum outside your function, right?
Okay, then I would have done what the return function there.
Okay. Then yeah, change it
to the return function.
Yeah. No. Return, you don't, yeah, but you return. Yeah. Cool. So, yeah, so it's actually fine, but I want to ask, how would you improve your question, right? How would you improve
the function
such that you don't have to use the if statement? You don't have you see line 8 and 9, right? And line 5 and 6, so that you don't repeat those lines. How would you do it?
Okay, so that I don't repeat these lines.
Yeah.
Okay, I would have to make them functions as well. To take this and make it a function.
Okay. Without making it a function. So having it in here.
Let me see.
Because that you can help out.
I'm lost.
So you see, we have line 5 and 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we also have
No,
line,
I used the wrong word. I understand the question. I'm
yeah.
just saying I'm lost in my session. Oh,
So I'll help you. I'll help you out. So create a variable outside your function. Yeah, outside your total, and then close your total. No, sorry, close your total,
What do
and
you mean?
give it start. Make it start.
Make it what?
Start. Create a variable, a new variable. Call it start. Don't. Yeah. And make it x. So start is x, right? And then if x is divisible by 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which if start is divisible by 2, right?
We
Or
put it here
yeah,
or what?
yeah, there. Instead of x, no. Where on line 6 now? Where line 6 is, use well,
Okay.
it actually doesn't matter if you change x or not, because x and start are the same thing at that point. So so in that for loop, inside the if statement, just make wait. This is evens, right? So fine.
Yeah.
So actually just remove line from line 5 to line 7. Actually just comment it out. Don't remove it. Comment it out. Line 5 to line 7. Just for now. Right? Copy line 9 and 10 out and move them to outside of the loop. Line 9 and 10, 9 and 10 only.
9 and 10.
Yeah, just copy that, paste it outside of your loop. Don't
Okay.
remove it, because I don't wanna change. I need you to see the difference after that. Don't remove it. You're supposed to.
Okay.
Yeah, so just undo, comment it out, copy that and comment that out, and then yeah.
you should even comment out the LF.
Yeah, so we're gonna change the elif. Just we're gonna change it.
See.
Paste that there. And then change your elif into an if. And then if that's the case, just make your start equals to add 1 to your start. Inside the if. Inside the if. No, there. So yeah, just go start plus equals 1. Yeah. Right. And then you know what to change now, right? You know what to change to make it work. X plus 1 needs to be start. On line 12, yeah. Before you run the code, just go through it and see if you understand it. Yeah.
Right. Wait, Leo.
Yeah.
So if x is an even number, right?
Yeah.
we're gonna
We didn't change. If it's an even number, we didn't change it, right? Because
okay,
yeah,
yeah.
because it's either even or odd, right? If it's even, we didn't change it and it stays what it was, right?
So we'll just put X here.
Yeah, right.
But if this statement is true, then we add 1 to start.
Yeah,
And
right.
then we put start here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's actually an even simpler way, right?
Okay.
So a simpler way would be so you see where you say start equals to x at the top.
Mm-hmm.
Just say start equals to x plus x mod 2. That, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because the remainder is either the remainder is 1 or the remainder is 0. So if it's even, it'll be 0. If it's 1, if it's odd, it'll be 1. So you don't even need the if statement. You see that?
Yeah.
I don't.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see.
That makes sense, right, Cree?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you could just do that, and then
Mm.
yeah, with some. So you add 1 to it, or add nothing to it.
Okay.
Yeah, but either way,
Nah, I see. I see. So basically, which means we would have had only this, the full, the
yeah,
full one, the full
yeah.
loop. Oh, okay.
Cool. Now let's see what you do for the.
It's the same thing, similar thing.
Mm-hmm.
What did I do? Oh, this one I tried to do it as a list.
Because you like things, I guess.
Yeah. No. I've noticed when I practice a lot with the numbers, like here when we did a lot with numbers,
Yeah.
when you start to do it with the other objects, it becomes difficult now.
Oh, okay. So you wanted to
Yeah.
see how.
Yeah.
So now,
I
okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
yeah. So but I did the same if statements for I did for that. What is this one? Yeah. I did the same if statements and then I did that range and then I appended to whatever that will be in the loop to the list so that the numbers come out as a list.
Yeah. You're just adding the numbers between that range to your list.
Yeah,
To your list.
yeah.
Okay, that's fine. But I want you to simplify your code like you did in the first one at the top.
Oh,
Hey, my brother, I wanted to ask.
Yeah. What's up?
This simplification is interchangeable.
What do you mean?
This version that you have,
Yeah.
because in my head it seems like it's gonna be the same thing.
We'll see if it's gonna be the same thing. Huh? Let's see.
so print out odd and even number. Okay, this is even numbers. Right, let me see. Yes, yeah, just print.
Let's see, run your at the bottom. We want to see list even. Oh, wait, this one, yeah. I want the odd one actually. I want the odd one. We've already dealt with the even one, so I wanna see what what you do for the odd one. That's the one I wanted to see.
The odd one.
Yeah.
I'll just add +1 here. Like say +1 there.
Will that work? Are you sure?
Wait, give me time. If let's say you put 2.
That's even. You're changing the even one. Sorry, you're changing the even one. That just remove that +1 and go to the one at the bottom, to line 34.
Yeah, I'm just saying what I'll do. I'll just change it here.
No. I'm saying change line 34, line 32 instead of the list even one, because that's the even one. So I'm just saying let's do it there. Yeah.
Choose here, this one.
Yeah. Let's see. Make changes and let's see. Okay. Let's just run the list odd at the bottom. Don't run the other ones. Yeah. Let's see what you get. It's called functions one. Yeah. Tab. Okay. So you have 3, 5. It's fine, right?
It looks fine. Yes.
Looks fine. Change your 2 to a 1.
Here.
No. List odd. Change the 2 to 1 there. Yeah.
Okay. Let me rethink.
Why? Why did you run it twice?
No, there it is. It skipped one.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Okay, I see.
I think it's something's code. That's not the way though.
Sorry?
It's code.
Yeah, I know what's not the way.
Because we scroll up, let's go to the even one. We have
On the
two
list
numbers.
or
There. Yeah, it's the same one, the one there.
Okay, so we're saying on line 27, we're saying start at x plus the modulus, right?
Yes.
We are looking for an even number.
Yes.
But if x is even, we're going to add 0. So we'll just start with
Yes.
x. If x is odd, then we got to go to the next number, which is the first even number,
Yes.
right? We got to go up.
Yes.
So what we're doing wrong in line 34 is that we're saying if x is odd, add 1. So we're invalidating our first value.
Yeah.
Just from that program. So I think what we should do is +1.
Because he did on line 36. The problem with this one is line 36, right?
yeah, the one that I added here.
Yeah. So that's the problem. That's the first problem. Then there's the second problem. Well, that's the second problem if we're starting at the top. But that's the second problem. So there's another problem that you need to do. So remove that one, that plus one. Cool. Yeah, goes not to continue.
I'm trying to understand what the way is. If x is odd, we're gonna add one.
Wait, what if we left that one and then we put a minus here, right?
I was
No,
gonna
but you
put a
got
plus one and minus the modulus.
sorry.
Because if it's mine,
Wait,
yeah,
who's that? Sorry. What do you say?
I was gonna say start equals x plus one minus the modulus of x and two.
Wait, do that. Let's see.
yeah.
Minus what?
X plus one,
Oh, you said x here, x plus one.
yeah. Right where that cursor is, say plus one, yeah, minus the modulus. I'm trying to see if it makes sense. If x is even, modulus is gonna be zero. So we're gonna start on the next number, which would be an odd number. That seems right to me. Tell me what
Yeah,
you think.
go ahead.
Yeah, run it or what?
Yeah, run it. Yeah.
Do you understand the logic?
Yeah, I do. I was gonna say x plus one mod two. That's what I was gonna say.
Put that
Wait,
again,
so
please.
Sorry?
let me see what happens if it's two.
It's still fine. So
I want out it's on Jack.
so
Yeah, I'm
We
not
want
see.
we want an odd number, right? We are
Mm-hmm.
looking for an odd number. So if x is an odd number, or one,
Mm-hmm.
let's say one. If we add one to one and then we subtract one again, we're back at one.
yeah. Cause
Oh,
yeah,
so if x is two, then you'll add one. It becomes three. You don't add this zero.
yeah,
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay,
Because
okay.
we want the thing is that we want the first, we want to start on the first odd number.
yeah,
Yeah.
So what we were doing earlier on with the addition was invalidating that. So we have to create a thing that allows us to go to the next one if it's to the right. But yeah, this subtraction makes it
yeah,
come back if we're already on
yeah.
the
Hmm.
odd number.
Yeah.
So yeah, so what
What other way were you gonna
sorry?
do it? You said you
Yeah,
were gonna
mine
do
was
it.
going to be x plus one mod two. So
Oh,
so so instead of saying one minus, right? There, I was going to say, yeah, remove the plus. No, remove that one. The plus is still fine. Remove that one, yeah. So in brackets, the x there,
mm-hmm.
just put it in brackets inside the brackets, yeah, and then add one. So x plus one,
Or you see that X.
yeah. So it's the same thing. So if x is odd, right? So if x is odd, then x plus one is even. Then you don't add anything. But if x is even, then x plus one is odd. Then you add one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
I guess.
Yeah, look like you got something going on.
Yeah. So it's the same thing. I think your one was cleaner. I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So understood, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So I think I'm gonna. Wait, what just happened? So actually, Ghost Natty, can you share your screen? I just want to. Yeah, we're gonna do
For
something
what?
with functions now, but I want you to do it. Yeah.
You want me to do it?
Actually,
I don't know
yeah.
what I was in time.
Please don't forget to zoom in your screen.
Very good enough.
It's still loading on my side. Jack, can you see it? Jack,
No, not yet.
it's yeah. I think I'm gonna
Is that fine?
remove. I'm gonna.
Alanku?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Go back, go back to your screen. To VS Code, yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Can you
What's
just
the bit?
zoom in one and then close the
Okay.
left pane? Cool. Then just close the. Okay.
Yeah, but I
You
want
can
to
create it.
the
Just
file.
make sure.
Yeah.
You can call it numbers if you want. Yeah, you're gonna be dealing with numbers, so you can call it numbers. It's fine. Okay. Cool. So I want you to create a function, right? That takes in one parameter, and then so just say it's even, is underscore even, underscore,
Is
yeah.
underscore even.
So it takes in one parameter.
How do I do that again?
Yeah.
Put that in
Yeah,
brackets.
but that's you see now you want to put in an argument what you're doing there. So Alex, no, that was fine. The problem is you're using a string and you're not supposed to. So, because you know when your functions accept some of a variable, you can say it's a variable. So that it's kind of declaring your variable in your function parameters, right? Your function parameters, you're saying to your function, here is a variable that you can use within the function, right? So it accepts a number, and then what you need to do is
Fine.
tell me if the function is, tell me if the number is even or not. So meaning it should return a true or a false, right? If the number is even, it returns true. If the number is false, it returns. If the number is odd, it returns false.
Uh, I actually forgot how to
Just
do
do
that.
just do the modulus that we were doing just now.
If number
Two equal signs.
equal to 0, mm,
So I'm saying
basically
like
you're asking
the
for
name of the function. What's the name of the function? help him, Jack, with fixing the problems with his code.
The colon there. The colon after 0.
The what?
Yes.
0.
Yeah.
Here. Okay. How do I say not equal to again?
Well, it's an exclamation. Exclamation equal, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, you won. Test it out, run it.
Okay.
Yo.
Now, okay. So we in when functions. Why is this thing not doing the things?
Because you're not
Python.
typing
Python.
Python.
Huh? Oh.
Python.
Python. Oh, do you have networks there?
Is that function in there? Yeah, go ahead. Let's see. No such. Are you sure you put the file in the right directory? Just check. Check where your numbers is.
Started.
You put it at the top of the.
But I right clicked on thing. Okay, started.
Well, you can move. You can move out. I mean, it's not in started, man. It's on the top level. It's not even. It's not there. So go out of your function or out of your folder. CD out once. Remove that. Remove Python. Just CD out once. Yeah. No. Go back one. So two periods.
How do I do that?
Full
Two
stop.
periods.
2 periods.
Yeah. Enter. Just type ls. Enter. Yeah, so you can just type Python numbers there because it's at the top level. You can move it afterwards. Yeah. Cool. Nothing happened, right? So yeah, I want you to use it to test your function.
Um,
Do the parentheses instead of the person.
What? What are you? No, no.
what's up?
What's number?
The function is even.
Oh, should I say?
It's even, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but how do you call your function? What are you doing?
To do the parentheses.
Yeah, it's even with your parentheses and then you call your function, right?
Okay.
Put the number 4 in there by that number.
No.
Remove that number, the word that number. Put 4 there in the
So before you run it, let me explain the confusion there, right? So
Yeah.
so when you define your function, right,
Yeah.
at the top, your number is a parameter, meaning that's the variable that you're going to use within your function, right? That's what it means. But when you call your function, you give it a value, and that value is called an argument. So 4 is an argument that will be substituted into number, the variable.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what's happening when you do that. Yeah, just save that, run it.
Okay, am I doing this wrong? I shouldn't print it, right?
No, that's fine. You should print it. No, that's fine. Print it. Yeah.
Is even 4.
Yeah, save it. It's not saved.
Okay, it's a enter. Gotta get save.
No, color is even there.
So it is true, right?
Yeah.
Which is fine. But Jack, what can you improve from the function? What
I,
can you
I was,
improve?
I was gonna use else instead of elif.
So you see that, Gosnat?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
But
Remove
else,
that number 2.
I misused Elif. Should have been.
remove that number mod not equal.
In that line 4.
Line four. Remove the whole. Just it's else, right? Else does not have a condition, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So your elif was actually fine. No. You still need your colon and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So that's fine, right?
Yeah. And I can sense you're going to ask what else can be improved.
Yeah. Right? So that's fine and it works, right? Well, how else can you improve it? There's one improvement that we can do now, but there's yeah. So remove the else. No, not the whole thing. Just the else bit.
Okay.
Go undo. Remove the else part. Yeah, and with together with the colon. And then shift your second return outside of that if.
Shift.
Shift it out.
Ah,
Same level as
if.
as the if. So backspace. Yeah. So what happens there is if your number is even, right?
Okay.
It'll go inside the if and then it'll return true. So when a function returns, it does not continue to the end of the function. So if that first if line 3 runs, line 4 will not run. You get me?
Okay.
Yeah. So that means if our number is even, it'll return true and then it will not hit line 4. But then if it does not hit line 2, if line 2 is false, then it will not hit line 3. That means it will hit line 4, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so let's just save that.
All right.
That's cool, right? And then Jack,
Yes.
what else can you improve?
I don't know. Let me see.
What is line 2? What does line 2 say?
It says that if the modulus of whatever the number that we choose is equal to 2, I mean, it's equals to 0, then your return is true.
Okay, so what does number mod 2 equals to 0 evaluate to?
is it even or not even?
Okay. So it gives you a true or false, right?
Yes.
So how can you improve that function?
Oh wait. No, I'm not sure. I remember you said zero is a false, isn't it?
No, 0 is falsy, but we want our function to return true or false. We don't want it to return a false, something that's falsy or truthy. No, we want it to return true or false, right? Where are you going? It's not going to help you, man. It's not going to help you. Wherever you're going, it's not going to help you.
What do you mean, Lev? I was already there.
Okay, fine. Go look. It might help actually. Go look. It's in Python crash course inside the booleans. Yeah, there.
Nah, it's not there. False.
Okay, it's fine. Go back to the function. We'll just do it quickly. So copy. You see line 2 after the if statement. After the if, yeah, no, not the if. Don't copy the if. Copy that bit, yeah. Comment out the whole function.
The whole line too, or what?
No, not that. The whole body of the function. The body of the function. Everything. Yeah, comment that out.
I forgot how to comment out.
Control /. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then
Remember, my keyword is nonsense.
enter, return, paste. Cool. So that thing is essentially if our number is even, right? What will that statement say?
I guess it's true.
Yeah. So you actually don't need to do any of those if statements and all that. So your function just returns that thing there.
Okay.
You didn't save.
So you just retain the statement, then the computer decides whether it agrees or not.
Yeah. This guy. You didn't save.
Hi. Feel like I'm working on my old laptop.
just get a new keyboard, man.
No, the save thing. Forgetting to save. I'm used to autosave.
Oh, I see. Yeah. So I don't know what else I'll send through. So I guess tomorrow we'll go through, we'll do some more advanced functions. Like accepting optional what's this? Optional parameter arguments, and then we'll do some we'll do some logic based on our inputs, whether we have them or not, and so on and so forth. So we'll see that tomorrow. I think we're gonna wrap up functions. We should be able to wrap up functions tomorrow. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Safe. You must practice, dog. You. Yeah. Safe.